Hello guys, this is Vishwanath. My registration number is URK19CS1153. In this video, we are going to see conditional statements using shell script. So here is my first question. First question is, we have to build a calculator using switch statement. I have already created a calculator, so I will get into it. Initializing r is equals to 0 and asking user to enter first and second variables, storing it in n1 and n2. I'm asking user to enter his choice by printing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division each with 1, 2, 3, 4. I will store it in a character ch. Using switch statement, case ch in, if it's first case, then it will get into a sum, that is n1 plus n2. If it's a second case, then it will get into subtraction, that is n1 minus n2. If it is third case, that is multiplication, it multiplies n1 into n2. If it's fourth case, division, then it divides n1 by n2. None of these cases has been selected, then it will print invalid choice. Once I will execute it, it will ask for first number. Here I will give 14 and the second number I will give 12. I will give addition for the choice. 14 plus 12, it will be 16. So my next question is, I have to find out the largest number of three numbers. I have already coded, so I will get into the program. I will ask user enter the first and second and third number, and I will store it in a variables n1, number 1, number 2, number 3. If number 1 is greater than number 2 and number 1 is greater than number 3, then it will print the largest number will be number 1. Else if the number 2 is greater than number 1 and number 2 is greater than number 3, then it prints largest is number 2. Else it prints the number 3 is the largest. Once I will execute it, it will ask for number 1, I will give 14, number 2 it will be 8, and third number will be 17. See, the largest number is 17. Next question is, I have to create a progress report for a student with the following details. If the marks is between 96 and 100, then it should show O grade. If it's 86 and 95 in between, then it will show S grade. If it's between 76 and 85, then it should show A grade. If it's between 66 and 75, then it should show B grade. If none of these cases I will satisfy, then it will go to the reappearance required. I will get into the code. First, I will be asking user to enter the student name, register number, and date of birth with marks scored. It will be stored in a variables. Name will be stored in a name variable. Register number will be stored in a reg number. Date of birth will be stored in a DOB variable. Marks will be stored in a variable mark. If the mark is greater than 96 and less than 100, then it should show outstanding, that is O. All the details will be displayed along with it. Else if mark is greater than 86 and mark is less than 95, then it will be shown S grade. Else if marks is greater than 76 and marks is less than 85, then A grade will be printed. Else if marks is greater than 66 and marks is less than 75, then B grade will be printed. Else reappearance will be required. Other than this, student name, register number, date of birth and marks code will be common in the all the statements. Once I'll run it. If will ask for student name, here I'll give wiki, and last for register number I will be giving 1153 and date of birth 07092001. It will ask for mass, I will give 76. So the student name, register number, marks scored and a grade will be displayed. Thank you.